Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base trick to increase your Bitcoin with this trick. And right now you can see this is my USDT and this is my Bitcoin. It's in here, and I will be share with you 30 minutes gambling, maybe least in 30 minutes gambling, and then I show you how you can start. And first of all, for starting, go to multiple, go to this. Okay, you know all the tricks if you watch all of the videos about the Faucetpay. And just click the payout, remove the payout, and type it. The payout is a 2.1. Okay, and didn't change anything in here. It didn't come down, and you can see everything of the beating in here. I beat much more time, lose, win, a lot of time. I win, lose. Okay, just start beating. How I can start? Just come down in this two button. Okay, click the beat high or beat low. Every time you lose, click the 2x. Every time you win, click the minimum. Okay, I just click beating. You can see I win. I didn't click anything in here, just click it. You can see I lose amount. I just click 2x, and you can see increase it 2x. I just click beat. I lose again. I just click 2x. I just click one of these. You can see I win again. I just click minimum. Okay, like this you can go. If you lose, increase it. If you win, just click minimum. To your balance will become to receive the first amount you beat. Okay, you can see I lose. I just click 2x, beat, lose, 2x, beat, lose, 2x, beating. You can see I win. I just click minimum. You can see receive the amount, and you can see I earn some coin in here. I start beating very fast to show you how I can making in just 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes beating with this trick, and I will become maybe 30 or 23 minutes later. Okay guys, now you can see I come back again, least in 10 minutes beating. Okay, it's just 7 minutes beating. You can see I increase my amount of USDT. This is very high risking beating, and you can start this beating with this my trick that I share with you. This is all my beating amount. You can see win, lose all of the time. I have win, lose, and but I increase my beating amount and increase my balance. You can see it's right now in just 10 minutes I receive 10,000 BTC wig rate, and with this wig rate you can calculate and how much hour you can make one Bitcoin to you participate in the contest, and you will be winner. Okay, and that's it guys. You can easily increase your amount with the just few clicks, and you can also copy my all trades that I trade with gambling, and you can start with any cryptocurrency you want, but it's needed a little bit higher cryptocurrency for 10 time lose management, and then you can start. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.